Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ashgandha at home. This sacred paste, used in Hindu rituals, is simple to prepare with the right ingredients. We'll cover everything from gathering your 8 essential components to mixing them into a fragrant, spiritual blend. Making it yourself ensures purity and potency for your devotional practices. Let's begin by understanding what Ashgandha is. To create authentic Ashgandha, you'll need 8 distinct ingredients. These typically include sandalwood, agarwood, saffron, camphor, musk, guggul, turmeric, and kumkum. Some variations might include tulsi or vetiver. Ensuring the purity and quality of each component is crucial for the final sacred paste. Gather these carefully before proceeding to the next steps. Once you have all 8 ingredients, the preparation begins. First, grind any solid components into very fine powders. Then, combine all 8 powdered ingredients in a clean, dry bowl. Gradually add a small amount of rose water or Ganga jal, mixing continuously until a smooth, consistent paste forms. The goal is a fragrant, pliable paste, not too watery or too dry. Your homemade Ashgandha is now ready for use. Apply it as a tilak on the forehead or other body parts during your daily prayers and pujas. For storage, transfer the paste to a clean, airtight container to preserve its aroma and potency. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. While it can last, freshly made Ashgandha is always considered most potent and auspicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.